Like many computer scientists, I always have the dream to become a hacker. That's very difficult. So today, let's see what we can learn to get closer to that dream. I know how to use Linux, and I've learned C programming language before. So I guess today we're gonna start with how to become anonymous on the internet. Instead of paying for VPN service, I decided to create my own. There's no free lunch in this world, but technically, we always find a way. Especially if you want to become a hacker, you gotta figure out a way yourself. So why do I think of AWS? Because I know what a VPN does is route your traffic to their server and apply some security and encryptions, and then let you access the internet you want. AWS is the only one that I know provide a whole year free tier service among the cloud providers. I set up the VPN following this tutorial. Big thumbs up for this guy. The setup process is pretty straightforward. If you face any errors, leave your comment below, I will try to help. Can't wait to check my IP to see where I am. It believes that I am in Hong Kong. That is because our VPN server sits in the Hong Kong region. But in reality, I'm in the Netherlands. So VPN is working now. Let's see what we can do next to hide our online traces. Let's check what actually Tor is. Open source anonymity and privacy technologies supporting their unrestricted availability and use. Tor works by sending your traffic through 3 random servers, also known as relays, in the Tor network. So what the hell does it mean? I have to do some in-depth study, and here's what I found. Alright, so this is us, and this is the website that you're going to visit. Let's say it's twitter.com. Normally, you're gonna just go to twitter.com to check out tweets, but this is not what we're gonna do. Instead, we're gonna use the Tor network. So this is the Tor network, and there's an entry card, and there's an exit relays, right? So the traffic will goes to the first entry card, and to the next one, and then to the next one. So in total, 3 random relays in the Tor network, and then it will goes to twitter.com. Tor bounces web traffic over 3 randomly selected Tor relays out of a total 7,000 relays, which makes it extremely difficult for people to track you, right? So your internet service provider here, they will never know that you are going to visit twitter.com. And Twitter here, on the other side, they will never know that it's you actually visiting twitter.com, because what they can see is only this guy. So this is the beauty of Tor network. The Tor browser was installed. Let's connect. The world's most private browsing experience. Let's check what is my IP. Amsterdam, interesting. And a Windows 10 machine, that's not me. Let's check again the Chrome browser. It shows that I'm still in Hong Kong. Let's try to open the Tor browser again. Wow! Now the exit relay actually shows that I'm in India. So the website doesn't know what is my real IP now. ChatGPT also provided many other suggestions, and I've been using a lot of them already. Then I realized that most hackers, they don't even use Windows or Mac OS at all. They use a Linux system called Kali Linux. What? Oh yeah, still a lot of stuff to learn. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I will see you next time in the Kali Linux video.